In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your WooCommerce version. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or preparing for an update, knowing your current WooCommerce version is essential. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website, and it's where all the magic starts. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials and hit that login button. Once inside, you'll see the familiar WordPress interface waiting for you. Our next step is to access the WooCommerce settings. Take a look at your dashboard menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options, like posts, media, pages, and most importantly for our purpose today, WooCommerce. Hover your mouse over WooCommerce and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From that menu, select the Status option by clicking on it. Now, you're looking at the WooCommerce status page. This page is a powerhouse of information, providing insights into your WooCommerce setup. It's where you'll find valuable data about your system, helping you monitor and maintain your online store effectively. Focus your attention on the WordPress environment section of this page. This section holds various technical details about your site, giving you a deeper understanding of your store's setup. Within this area, look for the line labeled WC version. This line reveals the WooCommerce version currently installed on your website, allowing you to keep track of your software version with ease. Understanding your WooCommerce version is vital for a few reasons. Firstly, it ensures you're using the latest features and improvements available. Staying updated with the latest version means you're also benefiting from enhanced security patches and optimizations. Additionally, the current version is crucial when you communicate with WooCommerce support, as they'll often ask for it when diagnosing issues. If you have any trouble finding this information or if it's missing, ensure you have all permissions and that WooCommerce is correctly installed. Double-check that the plugin is active and functioning as it should. If issues persist, you might need to consult more detailed troubleshooting guides or reach out to WooCommerce support for further assistance. That's it. Checking your WooCommerce version is that simple and takes just a few moments. Whether you're doing routine maintenance or resolving a specific problem, knowing your WooCommerce version is a fundamental step. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials to enhance your WooCommerce experience. Until next time, take care and happy selling.